Right then, Harry, let's see how you've got on this time. Right, so no problem there. This is right, but you need to make that decimal point much more clear than that, because that to me looked like £853. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, but you may well have lost that mark in the proper exam. Square meters. Now it's not litres squared. Litres is already the unit for capacity, and it wouldn't be litres squared anyway. You're probably thinking of centimetres cubed. Volume is cubic. So that one's wrong. Meters is good, and that is good. So you got 3 out of 4 there. B, E. No, E are parallel lines. It's not a parallelogram. Parallelogram is the shape. That's just parallel lines. F is what we're looking for there. And then C and G. So 3 marks there. Total for the page 11. Okay, that is looking good for 2 marks. £99 and £20. 52 and 51. Good. 11 marks to the page. £40 9, £22 less. 9 kilogram parcel is 20.99. 59.38 is 38.39. 10 AM. Good. 5 marks. Sorry, 7 marks. 331. 1.5 meters is good. Perfect. 11 marks to the page. This is really good. Okay, watch my video clip for that one. And you will easily be able to sort that out. That is 29. This one is 5. Adding 3 every time. You divide it by 2 every time. So that's 5 for the page. Again, watch my video clip for that. It's pretty straightforward once you understand what's happening. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. This one, the outer 50 is right, but the top is wrong. So what you have done there is you've just said that the probability the group had 3 visitors. 18 is exactly 3. The question says at least 3. So 4 is also at least 3, and 5 visitors is at least 3. So you lose the value for the mark for the top, but you get one for the bottom, and that's good. Well done. 3 and 5, 8 for the page. $25.92 is correct. 65% is correct. That's good. That's good. Excellent. 8 for the page. Now 3.85. I think that's right. I think that's 3.35. Your 3's and your 8's are very difficult to tell apart. So I'll give you the benefit of the doubt there. It would have helped if you'd have written in what it was in centimetres, but I'll give you the mark. It would have fitted on the page, but your angle is wrong. 146 is going to come around. That's 180. It's going to come around to about there. So you've measured your 146 probably in the wrong direction. It's always clockwise from north. So I'll give you the first 3, but you're not going to get that pair there. Okay, so how have we got on here? So 9734 take 7354 is not 2020 unless I've got it wrong. 9734 take 7354 is 2380. So you've done that subtraction wrong, which is a shame, because everything's going to work out wrong now. However, you've correctly converted 11.25 pence into pounds, so you will correctly have worked out the £227.25. So you'll get, out of the 3 marks for that part, you will get 2. You will then work out the extra VAT. So for you, the VAT is going to be, so let's just use your values now just to check. So it's £227.25 plus £27.14 is £254.39 times 5% is £12.72. Well done. You needed to round that up and you have, so that's good. So you're going to do £254.39 plus £12.72 is £267.11. 254. But what you haven't done is you haven't then taken off this credit. Okay, 267.11 is what you get if you add the VAT onto the £254.89. So what you then need to do is subtract the £21.37. So that is wrong. Have you done it down here? Yeah, and then you've done this correctly, but you haven't taken off that £21.37 anywhere. So that there needs to come off it as well. So for the second lot of marks, you're going to get the 1 mark for the VAT. You're going to lose the mark then for the first credit, but then you pick up the last mark for correctly crediting the rest. So you're going to get 4 out of 6 there, 3 marks there, 7 for the page. 0.13 is correct. Blue and yellow is correct, and 51 out of 100 isn't. Okay, if it's green or blue, then it's that one add that one, which does not come to 0.51. And because you haven't written down a sum, I can't work out where that 51 came from, so I can't give you either of the marks for that part of the question. 147.84 is correct, and 8.0526 is correct, but to 1 decimal place it would be 8.1. 1 decimal place is the 0, but you have to look to the next one. If it's 5 or more, then that rounds to 8.1. So you get 1 mark for that, but your rounding is wrong. So total for the page 367. And then nothing for the last page. So have a look at what I've done on the last page, Harry, because certainly these two you can easily get your head around quickly. So for the paper, you have got 11, 22, 33, 38, 46, 54, 61, 68, 68 out of 100. Okay, that is almost a C. According to me, you're 2 marks off a C, but I have seen grade C's being given for that. But I'm going to say that's a D, and it's a C minus 2. You're only 2 marks off there, Harry. That's good. Really well done.